We get a lot of questions about lint-free wipers, and today we want to clear the air. The reality is there's no such thing as a truly lint-free wiper. Any wiper made from textile fibers, whether polyester, cellulose, or a blend, will release some level of particles during use. From cutting and sealing to handling and wiping action, fiber interaction is unavoidable. What does exist are low-lint wipers. Through carefully controlled materials, advanced edge sealing technologies, and precise manufacturing processes, wipers are engineered to release the lowest possible amount of lint for their intended environment. Particle release is measured, tested, and categorized so the right wiper can be matched to the right cleanroom class and application. At SOS Cleanroom, we believe in being transparent about the products we sell. We don't label wipers as lint-free because doing so is misleading and technically inaccurate. More importantly, relying on that kind of claim can put your process and your yield at risk. Some companies will market their products as lint-free, but that terminology ignores the realities of material science and cleanroom performance. In critical environments, assumptions like that can lead to contamination issues, rework, or product loss. The key is not chasing a lint-free label, but selecting the lowest lint wiper that meets your cleanliness requirements, and understanding why it performs the way it does. If you have any questions about wiper construction, particle release, or selecting the right wiper for your environment, SOS Cleanroom is here to help you make informed, data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching.